Hi, I'm Mark Anthony, and in this video I'm going to give you some downloads in relation to the last video that I discussed the topic of acceptance. So acceptance from other people is something that we crave as human beings, but acceptance from other people only comes when you accept yourself. So it's really important that you're accepting of yourself. So what I'm going to do is give you some downloads now to help you with that. So what we want to do is give you creator's perspective on acceptance, creator's perspective on self-acceptance, knowing that it's safe and possible for you to accept yourself, knowing what it feels like to love, appreciate, and accept yourself, knowing how to recognize that you are the best version of yourself right now, and knowing how to allow yourself to grow better and better in every moment, that it's safe and possible for you to grow better and better every moment. And let's also teach you what it feels like to know that the Creator loves you, the Creator accepts you exactly the way you are. And let's teach you how to accept your current circumstances, how to accept that this is where you're at right now, and that you allow yourself to move forward from your current circumstances, that it's safe and possible for you to create the circumstances of your life that you desire, that you can have the abundance, you can have everything that you desire right now, that it's safe and possible for you to allow yourself to receive, accept, and keep the abundance that you desire. So we want to teach you what it feels like to know that you can truly love and appreciate yourself exactly the way you are, that you can truly love and appreciate yourself as you grow, and that you know how to be patient with yourself as you grow, and that you allow yourself the time to grow, and that it's safe and possible for you to move beyond where you're at the moment, and that you know how to move forward in positive ways, that it's safe and possible for you to move forward in positive ways. And the other thing that we want to do there too is teach you how to allow yourself to be accepted, and teach you how to allow yourself to be accepted without needing acceptance. We'll teach you how to live without needing acceptance from others, teach you how to live without needing to be accepted by other people, teach you how to live without needing to be accepted by friends and family, teach you how to allow yourself to be accepted by friends and family, and what it feels like to be accepted by friends and family, and knowing how to allow yourself to be accepted by other people, that it's safe and possible to, and that you know who you are with acceptance. So if you'd like to receive those downloads, then just say yes and you'll receive them. Okay, cool. So thank you for your time. If you like the video, like it, share it with people that you believe can benefit from it. And everybody can benefit from healings around acceptance, because it's really important. So subscribe to the YouTube channel. You'll be notified of updates or new videos that are released. And thank you for your time, because it's really an honor to be able to share this information with you. And I know this work is changing people's lives. So thank you for your time.